Hello, I'm J. Ian Burbeck, contributing editor for Light Reading. Today, I'm joined by Peter Hu, who is Vice President and General Manager of Wireline Marketing at ZTE. Peter, it's great to have you here. It's been a while since we last spoke. I believe it was at MWC Shanghai in June. So I'm looking forward to hearing about what you've been up to since then. So what new solutions and ideas is ZTE showcasing at MWC this year?
Okay, hi, nice to meet you. So at this year, MWC, we are really zeroing in on the optical concept. So we've got some cool stuff to show for optical steps in the home, city, and infrastructure. So let's start with some of the homes. We've come up with the new products, including the Wi-Fi 7 and FTTR. So this is a win-win for operators because it can really boost their up. And then there is our smart cord platform. It's like a little helper for your home network. It automatically improves the Wi-Fi coverage. So you don't have to mess around with adjusting routers all the time. It makes network maintenance a whole lot easier. So on top of that, we are adding some of the fun and useful features to home services, like AI-powered photo albums, AI-based fitness programs, and AI campaigns. So it's like they bring the future right into your living room. So now, when it comes to the cities, you know how everyone is always looking for better, faster connections. So where industries are hoping on copper to fiber trends, and we are right here, leading that way with making it optical FTTO. So O means the office. So, and more common in the places like the street photos, office buildings, digital campus, and even the smart healthcare. It's making the whole city's network more efficient and modern. So finally, in terms of the infrastructure, we introduced the intelligent audience. It's like giving your network a pair of glasses, so you can see resources clearly. It unlocks the hidden values of network assets that might have been overlooked before. And we've also rolled out this instruction, leading the 1.6T OTN. Actually, this is the highest speed in the world. And high capacities, but compact on the core routers. So together, we are building the super cost efficiency foundation for the all-optical network. It's like building a really strong and reliable base for everything else to run on that.
That's great. Thanks, Peter. I can't wait to come and have a look around the booth at all of this stuff, actually. What achievements has ZTE made over the past year, and what do they mean for the industry?
Let me think. So over the past year, so ZTE has been on the roll in the optical networks field. First up, technology evolution. So we launched a complete range of the Wi-Fi 7 products. So they are the fastest in the world. We also come out with this really cool product, and the industry is the first AI-powered FTTR. With the display, so Rompang 6.0, it's not just a regular devices. It can be control your smart home to keep your whole life with the safe, and even has been built in the storage. And that will be super convenient for all. So in the access network area, so we were the first to develop the industry's first all-speed 50G PON solution. So right now, it's been tested by more than 50 operators all over the world, and it's the backbone network. So we worked hand in hand with the operators. So that's quite important for us. We also, in this year, we've completed the world's first C+ airband optical module verification. And we even set a new record with the amazing 120 terabits per second single fiber transmission capacity. So it's like we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So in terms of the market expansion, we are at the top of our game. For 4 years in a row, we've been the number 1 in the global shipment of the home terminals. So especially that's important in the 2024, we shipped over the 100 million units. So our Wi-Fi 7 products have caught the eye of the major operators in place, like the Spain, Japan, and Italy. So in optical access, we've been helping to set up the large-scale audio network in countries like Germany, Belgium, and Greece. And in the backbone networks, we are the fastest growing the spider of the 400 GOTN. And we've already started large-scale commercial delivery of the 800 ports. So it's clear that our products are in the high demand. When it comes to the ESG, we're doing our part. So we use the low power optical technology and the dynamic resource scaling to cut down on the network energy consumptions. So this is a big help for the operators, so who are trying to reach the carbon neutrality goals. So we were also making sure that the rural areas get up enjoying the benefits of our optical networks. By doing this, we are bridging the digital divide and making it possible for people in those areas to access the education and healthcare services. So by the way, we are working hard to get everyone in ecosystem to collaborate. So we believe this will be lead in telecom industries towards greener futures. So finally, all in all, this achievement really solidifies the ZTE's position as a leader in the optical networks field. And we are not just good for us. So we are helping to move the whole industries forward in terms of the innovation. So making more money and being more sustainable.
Great. So talking of innovation, I can't let you go without asking a question about AI. In your opinion, Peter, how will combining all optical networks with AI create changes and opportunities? And what are ZTE's plans and vision for this?
Okay, so you know that AI is quite a hot topic in industries. So when you put all optical networks and AI together, so it's like the match made in tech heaven. So it's causing a whole bunch of challenges and opening up the tons of the new opportunities. So this is our ideas. So let's start off the network operations. So AI is a game changer here. So it can automatically find the problem in the network. So especially predict when something might go wrong and optimize the network's performance. So I will give some example. With our quality, the broadband solution, we use AI to figure out. So what's wrong with the network in just a few minutes. So then it can go ahead and fix the problems before they are really affect the users. So this is actually cut down users' complaints by the 30%. So it's like having a super smart network doctor on call all the time. So for the user's experience, AI is making things so much better. So it can learn your habits. Like what's the time you're usually watching the videos or play games? Then adjust the network performance to make sure you have the smooth experience. It's even has a feature that like the smart filtering to keep your family safe with browsing the internet. So whether you are binge watching your favorite show or competing in online game, so you want to worry about the buffering or lag. So in different industries, the combination of the AI and all-optical network is leading to some really cool innovations. So especially like in the healthcare, AI can help the doctor to better remote diagnosis. So it can also analyze the big data from the media imagination, which means more actual diagnosis. So in education side, AI can support the virtual labs. So students can do the experience without being in the real lab. It can be created personalized learning. So experience, so each student can get the help they need. So in the manufacturing side, it allows for the really precise control of the industrial robots. So this makes the production lines run more smoothly and smartly. So back to the operators. So it will be combination is a gold mine. So it gives them a chance to offer new services like the AI-driven, the private network, and the smart homes bundles. So this service are really the valuable for the subscriber. And so it helps the operators keep their customers happy and coming back for more. And as a result, it boosts the up in a result. So looking ahead, ZTE is really committed to this. We are going to keep focusing on the integrating the AI with the optical network. So we are keeping working on technology, innovation, and getting everyone in the ecosystem to work together. So this is the final goal in the AI era stage.
That's great. That's really interesting, and definitely it's going to be an exciting year for ZTE with all of these developments as well. So I just want to say thank you, Peter, for sharing your insights with us today. It's been really great to hear about ZTE's recent developments and what it's going to be showcasing at MWC this year. So hopefully I'll see you again soon.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thanks, Peter.